Namaskara, my divine family, and welcome to Pancha Portal, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, I'm Shweta, and I'm a Mokshpat trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
Namaste, I am Kavita Modi from Jamshedpur. Today I will do reading of July 2024 of second week from 8th of July to 14th of July. Regarding to your health, मोक्षपाठा की गाइडेंस है कि ये वीक आपके हेल्थ के लिए पॉजिटिव है. हेल्थ इज वेल्थ, ये तो आपने सुना ही होगा. सिर्फ फिजिकली फिट रहना ही काफी नहीं होता, मेंटली और इमोशनली फिट रहना भी उतना ही जरूरी है. आप अपने आप को प्रायोरिटाइज करें, अपने हेल्थ को प्रायोरिटी दें और अपने हेल्थ को थोड़ा मूवमेंट में लाएं, जैसे कि वॉकिंग, एक्सरसाइज, योगा एक्सेट्रा. इससे आपकी फिजिकल बॉडी फिट रहेगी. डेली मेडिटेशन और चैंटिंग को भी अपने डेली रूटीन का हिस्सा बनाएं. इससे आपकी इमोशनल बॉडी भी फिट रहेगी. इमोशनल और मेंटल बॉडी दोनों फिट रहेगी. साथ ही सात्विक भोजन करें. जंक फूड जितना हो सके अवॉइड करें, तो आपका स्वास्थ्य हमेशा अच्छा रहेगा. जंक फूड हमारे स्वास्थ्य को बहुत हानि पहुंचाते हैं और हमें तरह तरह की बीमारियों का डर लगा रहता है. इसलिए जितना हो सके सात्विक आहार को ही अपने जीवन में उतारे और हमेशा हेल्दी रहे. तो ये थी गाइडेंस इस हफ्ते की मोक्ष पाठक की, और मिलते हैं अगले हफ्ते. स्टे हेल्दी, बी हैप्पी, हमेशा हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए. थैंक यू.
Namaste. I'm Shashi Sethi, your devoted Mokshpata reader and trainer, bringing for you the cosmic guidance for the week of 8 July to 14 July 2024. For the attribute of relationship, the Mokshpata points towards a very practical box wherein we can restart our relationship in a new way. If the old relationship is not working or seems to be stagnant, then you can go ahead with a new way of reviving it. That can be done by leaving all baggages of the past behind and adding new and fresh energy to experience blissful relationships. It will be like a new birth, wherein you start with more knowledge and understanding of what this relationship means to you and its importance in your life. You need to restart without criticism, blame, and without digging up old wounds and grudges and resentments. The baggage of unforgiveness, blame, and criticism needs to be shed, and a new way of life filled with acceptance has to be incorporated, so that fresh colors and essence can be infused to make a beautiful tapestry of life, woven with colors of love and harmony. To sum it up, in this week, let go of all resentment of the past. Be more receptive to the other's needs, choices, preferences, so that life becomes more attractive and meaningful, and you get more connected to the divine too. A word of caution from the board advises us against accepting to be in abusive relationships too, if they cannot be mutually resolved. This can be the time to start a fresh new journey where you honor yourself and your life. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi. Stay tuned for more updates in the coming weeks.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. And before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Mokshapat. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality, and growth, then Mokshpat will be that friend for you. Now, let's move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
Namaste. Moving to spirituality for the week 8th to the 14th of July 2024. The Mokshpad board says that it is very important to maintain an attitude of not judging anybody or not expecting anything from anyone. Whatever your active karmas are have to be without any expectations or hidden agendas. The board also says that there is some confusion as well as wrong beliefs and perceptions which are creating some negative energy in your physical and mental space. You are thus advised to practice meditation, yoga, or pranayam. You are also advised to devote some time towards charity and kind, which could be in the form of teaching the underprivileged children or even giving your time to an old age home. This will bring in a lot of peace, clarity, and bliss to your core self. So don't procrastinate and embrace the recommendation of the Mokshpad board. That's all for this week. See you next week. Light and Energy, Sonal Kapadia.
हेलो माय डियर सोल फैमिली, मैं मौसमी पुणे से बोल रही हूँ। मैं एक साइकोलॉजिस्ट हूँ, मैं एक हीलर हूँ, मैं एक नेचुरोपैथ हूँ और आज मोक्षपट्टा रीडिंग में मैं गाइड करने वाली हूँ फ्रॉम जुलाई 8 टू जुलाई 14 के लिए। ये होगा बिजनेस एंड प्रोफेशन के लिए। बिजनेस एंड प्रोफेशन में आप अगर इस मंथ में देखें तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है जो बोर्ड मुझे गाइड कर रहा है, इट इज लाइक कि आप कहीं ना कहीं इग्नोरेंस में जा रहे हैं और कहीं ना कहीं अपने लॉसेस को देख नहीं पा रहे हैं। कुछ लोग आपके आसपास ऐसे हो सकते हैं जहाँ पे आपके पीठ पीछे कुछ कर रहे होंगे या फिर आप भी कुछ चीजें ऐसा है कि जो इग्नोर कर दे रहे होंगे, देख नहीं पा रहे होंगे उनके काम की वजह से या जो भी काम आप कर रहे हैं उस हिसाब से। और जो जरूरत वाली चीज है उसके ऊपर जब आप ध्यान देंगे अपने बिजनेस में, अपने प्रोफेशन में, जैसे आपका जो भी काम है तो वो तुरंत आपको हेल्प करेगा जल्दी उसको ठीक करने के लिए। डोंट फैंटासाइज अबाउट इट कि ये काम मेरा हो जाएगा। अगर आप किसी को काम दे रहे हो और वो काम करने के लिए वो बैठ रहा है तो वो जरूरी नहीं है कि वो काम आपका वो उसी टाइम पे करके दे देगा। तो आप रियलिटी चेक कीजिए, अपने रियल उसमें आइए और चेक कीजिए आपके हाथ में लेके काम की कि आपका काम एक्चुअली हो गया कि नहीं हुआ। और अगर आप ये गाइडेंस फॉलो करते तो दिस वीक इज वेरी गुड फॉर योर बिजनेस एंड प्रोफेशन। थैंक यू सो मच।
Namaste. I'm Shilpa Shah here and I'm here to present Punch Portal reading on finance for the second week of July 2024. Here is what Portal has guided us on finance, as this week is the time to cultivate new energy. Mokshpad, an ancient wisdom tradition, advises channeling finance wisely to achieve best outcomes. The board suggests on improving financial health through effective planning, profound understanding of market before taking any investment decision. The board recommends to look for opportunities to reduce expenses which will eliminate unnecessary spending, and also suggesting you to go through a different investment options. This will essentially help you stay on track towards financial stability and prosperity. Monitoring your progress regularly and adjusting as needed. The board is reminding that consistency is the key to building financial health. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Financial health is journey, not a sprint. That's all for now. Stay healthy, wealthy and wise. Thank you.
That is all for this week. And I hope that this week's reading helps you create a week full of excitement, success, and growth. For more such videos and information, follow and subscribe our channel. And if you have a problem in your life, don't forget to DM us. I will definitely wait for your query and revert back to you. Thank you and see you all next week once again.